It is time for a fake live. I know, I wish I was here in person, but don't miss this because I'm going to make a super adorable, why can't you see me? Hey! Sorry, did I yell? I'm sorry that I was talking over a black screen. I didn't really mean it, and I also did not mean this. Please note that there is no box today. No box. Do not type box. I'm sorry, I have no box for you. But this is one of those quick 5-minute change projects. Again, I have this adorable sign. I already erased it. But I'm going to show you what to do with this. So we have this super cute little bow I made with ribbons and string. I had like baker's twine and some jute. And then check it out. I have this little adorable little button that I glued on, and I added some little greenery here. So cute. When I tied this on, I kind of left it, and then whatever I create with this, I will match it up to this. So we're going to use this transfer. Nothing worth having comes easy. And I think that's kind of true. So this is like a beginner project, you guys. Take it off the backer sheet. You can fuzz it, but you don't need to on this board. I've already used this once. So when you first take a brand new transfer off, you're going to fuzz it on your fuzzing towel. Or if you don't have a fuzzing towel, just use your shirt or your pants or whatever. Today we're going to use Dune. Okay. This is a 5-minute turnaround project. I've got my creamy, dreamy Dune all ready to go. I am going to dip in and watch this. 1, 2, 3. So easy. You're going to place your paste, right? You're going to smooth and remove the excess. Okay? Use your squeegee. Squeegees are meant to kind of press and move all of the paste. Just like that. Done. So easy. Now I'm going to close that up. I am going to peel and reveal this amazing project. Look at that. It's wet right now, so we're not going to touch it. I'm going to come over here to my water, and I'm going to clean off this transfer right now as we speak. I'm just cleaning that paste right off of it. Very easy peasy. Okay. There we go. Got it. And I'm back. Now we're going to dry this. And while I'm drying, I'm going to give you the code words. If you have not joined my club, my Chalk Club, you guys check it out. Type club in the comments. You'll get a link. You can check it out all by yourself. It's such a great deal to become a club member because you not only get a project kit every month for only $19.99, but you also get special promotions only for you. Only for club members. If you're not part of my free group, go ahead and type add me in the comments and I'll send you the link. You can join today. And if you're curious about becoming a designer like me, type team in the comments and I will send you a link to my opportunity group where you can watch a video that is going to tell you everything you need to know about becoming a team member of mine. All right, you guys. Now let's take a look at this really easy project. We've got the base. It's already decorated. We've got the board with our transfer, and now we have, well, I've got a little bit of, here, wipe that off. We've got super cute, easy change decor, beginner project. You can get this right now in my shop. Look for the links in the description of this video and check it out. Super fun and easy. 5 minutes in a snap. All right, you guys, I will see you next time. Fake Live, coming to you from Maui. And thanks for watching. Make sure you're following and subscribing, and I've got more ideas where this came from. Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye.